So, I finally tracked you down. I knew when I found this Amberland card with your name on it. And the blood on the table over there.
Very good, Johnson. Very good. I told you I'd get me revenge, mate.
D.A. Jefferson.
So, Johnson, what's the problem?
D.A. Jefferson. It's me. Fucking hell. Nobody ever fucking cleans the shit out this town. You police officers are shit. I have to take matters into my own fucking hands. Tell me. Fuck me. Yeah. And I want you two boys to join me. Join me and we can be our own private police force. It's fucking great. Eh? If you don't like it, eh? You're not going to join me and you don't like it, eh? What are you going to do about it?
I said we blow the shit out of this motherfucker.
Agreed. That's the end of that bastard. Hey Johnson, remember 5 years ago how you fucked my wife? Well, I fucked yours too. In the ass. Oh yeah.
Well, it was tight, wasn't it?
Let's just call this a truce. Partner.